All right. It hasn't been the bounty year that it was the last couple years, but today's a good day. I'll tell you the story in just... So this guy's story was, he bought this little Briggs. They're both, neither one of them are self-propelled, which kind of sucks. But he bought this little Briggs, which looks to be brand new. He said last August when he bought his house, he stored it with the gas in it and it won't start. So then he got this one on Craigslist, a damn nice Craftsman. Man, I wish it was self-propelled. Ran it twice, said he couldn't get it started again. Then he bought a third one on Craigslist that's cheaper than both of these, and he said that's his one. So I'm going to set up the camera here. Try to get this one started first. Let's see, we'll push the primer. Oh, that seems fine. Well, that's putting a lot of gas in there. I'm gonna try. I disengaged the blade and that turned it off. I should have left the blade engaged there. Okay. I'm going to bed if I... Well, we know it has compression, right? So that's good. It seems like it wants to run. It's got something gunked up. Those carbs, they get a little piece of dust in them, and that's that. So let's put some of my... As the late, great Gary Van Leer would say, squirrel piss. Oh, very interesting. Let's check the oil here. I might just siphon out this gas, and it's got plenty of oil. Siphon out this gas and put in some fresh, good premium stuff. But I have a feeling I'm gonna get this rocking. Oh my gosh, you know what's in there? Stable. It's all red. It's got stable in it. Why isn't it? Oh, look what we have here. Wonder if that's a problem? You think that's a problem? Let's see. Hopefully I got it in there. That was disconnected. So let's try this again. I'll put the gas cap on. Oh yeah, that's working it. I think I have it in the wrong slot there. Let's try that slot. Clean out that carb yet. stupid stable gas, guaranteed. Stuff works good, but it's better to just run out your lawnmower altogether. This spring seems super bad. I'm gonna try, maybe I can show you what I'm doing here. This spring, well, I'll show you. This spring, see, it seems all stretched out. See how the coils are real nice and then real. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook it up on there, put a little tighter. Try that. I got you. There we go. So I'm gonna slide this through here. Pull it through, twist it a couple times. That doesn't want to work. Oops. I'm gonna drop this in a place that I can't find it yet. Come on. Twist it on a couple times. Make up for that slack it seems to have. Let's try it again. I'll show you what it looks like now. Got this sucker going now. I'm gonna run all this bad gas out of here. So I'm gonna take the zip tie, put it on. I don't know if this camera angle is gonna work or not. I'm holding the tripod in my legs. How's it smell? So there, I got that. If I can get this sucker started and stayed running again, I'll just run out all this gas. Alright, I got that one going and I put it in my yard on my sidewalk. So I don't know how good the audio is going to be on this next one, but I'm going to film it anyway, and hopefully this is what I'm supposed to be looking at. And hopefully I get that one started and I made myself a quick, I don't know, 150, 200 bucks in what, an hour? Not bad, I'll take 200 bucks an hour. The primer on this one doesn't seem to be working. This one's a lot dirtier. Ooh, this is a nice two-stroke, isn't it? Oh, it looks like there's no oil. There's no oil. That other one's a brand new machine. So I'm gonna look up what it is new. It's just that stupid spring that was a problem. Hopefully this one is, I mean, there is no oil in this. That's your problem right there, buddy. Check your oil level. Uh-oh, phone call. All right, Jack just called me. I think I have the oil full, and it was a half quart low. And in a machine like this, I think that's pretty much all that it holds. Don't hold me to that, I don't know. So, we'll start there, we'll check out the gas. I'll bet you it's this. Yep, it's all red. Stable gas. Man, I wish it was more like last year when I had like 3 of these a week. I mean, people, don't run ethanol. Ethanol sucks. Where's the throttle? Alright. There's the throttle. It's all gunked up. People take the worst care of their stuff. Alright. Ah, come on, baby. Don't be scared. Ah, I keep pushing it the wrong way. I need to pull it, not push it. This one might have a lousy carb. Fuel's coming in, looks good. You hear my other one over there still running? spark plug's got to be good. Huh. You know when the primer bulb's shot, too much ethanol. This one's gonna take a little more work. I'll show you this one over here. Running like a big dog. I'm gonna work on this for a little bit and then I'll get it running and I'll come back. So that's that. Whoa. So that's that. One man's junk is another man's treasure. 2 free lawnmowers. Getting all the crap gas out of there. See you next time.